Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club, this amazing world of drawings and fun with Parikshet and me. What are we going to draw today? That's a surprise. Let's see what we end up drawing. What do? We keep our hands and fingers like this. Okay? The two fingers like this.
Some of you might have guessed already what are we doing?
Is it?
Maybe some of them.
Okay, let's give it a try. Okay. You can actually like this.
Now you'll know what you are drawing.
Yes. Now it's very easy to understand. The eyes. The face. The teeth. Okay. Okay. Done till here?
Yeah.
Then what are we going to do next?
I
Did you finish the ears?
Almost.
Okay. Does not look very much like a bunny.
Mine does.
Yeah, yours does a little. You're done with your drawing?
Yeah.
How did we do it? We kept the two fingers.
Yeah.
We folded the other fingers.
Yeah.
And we did it.
No, this.
Yeah. We did it like this. Right?
What does it say?
Bobby the rabbit.
Yes.
Wow. So this was a quick one. This was a very, very, very quick one, isn't it, Parikshet? Did you enjoy drawing this? Did you enjoy this?
Yes.
Okay, so if you did enjoy it and if you also did some drawing, do not forget to share with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and hashtag KidsFunLearnClub to win some exciting goodies from Kids Fun Learn Club. See you in the next drawing. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel if you loved it. And bye-bye.
Bye. And subscribe.
And subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe the channel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.